start from scratch, as you can see here, I just searched for download WordPress, and we can go to the WordPress website. I can download the WordPress, and if you double click on this, you can see that we have the WordPress folder. So what I want to do is to extract this here, and then I'm going to go into the WordPress folder. Let me just zoom in and select all, Control A, and put this to a zip file. So I'm going to put this into a new zip file, and the reason why I did this is that because by installing this one, we always have the WordPress in our root folder. But if you install this one or upload this one, you will have the WordPress in a subfolder called WordPress. So now what I want to do is to upload this WordPress zip file into my folders. So let me just go to my folders. Okay, and I'm going to make a new folder called test to show you how we can install the WordPress. And now we can upload the zip file to this folder. Okay, I'm going to upload this. And we have this WordPress zip file here. So I'm going to extract it. And as you can see, we can extract this zip folder and go back. Okay, so these are the files we need to install the WordPress. And now what we have to do is to go to this folder. So it's going to be my parametricweb.com/test. So let's just do this and go to parametricweb.com/test. And now you can see that I have insert this. Okay, so after going to this one, you can choose your language, and let's just go with English. And now you can see that we need these information. The first one is the database name, database username, and the password. And as you can see, the host and table prefix if you want to change it. So now let's just say, let's go and install it. And you can see that it needs the database name, username, password, and the database host and the table prefix. So the database name and username and password can be just made in our direct admin. So you have to go to the direct admin page or whatever you are using and use this MySQL management section. So I'm going to click on this one, and you have perhaps something like this one, create a new database. So let's just make this one, and I'm going to say test for the name. The username is also test, and let's just make a password for this one. I'm using all the keys, numbers, and something signs here, and then copy this and into the password. Okay, so as you can see here, I have made this username password, and so usually the username for the database name and the username is the same. I prefer to do that, so let's just paste this. And the next thing is to give the password, so I'm going to give this password here. And usually we have the local host for database host, and the table prefix if you want to change it. Basically, this is the table prefix which is inserted into MySQL. If you want to, you can change it. Okay, so let's just submit this, and we can run the installation. So now we have to also insert some of our information here. So let's just go for the site title. I'm going to zoom in, a parametric web test site. Okay, let's just make a username and password. So I'm going to say admin and make a password here. And now you have to also insert your email as the admin. So I'm going to also do this. And if you want to click this one, search engine visibility, this will just hurt your SEO. So I guess that we don't need to click on this, and we just install WordPress. Okay, and you can see that you have the username and the password, and you can log in into your website. Okay, after installing the website, we have to log in into our WordPress. So I'm going to insert my information and go into my dashboard. So let's just log in. And now you can see that this is the view of the WordPress. The first step is to go to Appearance and go to Themes. So I'm going to also show you how you can really change your themes fast and quick. So this is how your website looks. And if we want to see the website, we can just say visit site here. And this is how it looks. We don't have any images, so that's fine. And you can see that this is how it looks on mobile. And we're going to change this maybe to 2017. You can see the live preview. This is how your website will look. And this is really great if you want to show different pictures for that. So let's just activate and publish. And after publishing, we just close that and we're going to go to our website. So it's parametricweb.com/test. Let's check this out. And now you can see that this is our default installation. We have this website installed. Another thing which we can control here is, let's go to the dashboard for the home. And if I click on this screen options here, we can change these things. As you can see, these are the active options we have here. Maybe we don't need this welcome to WordPress. We just can click on that, or we can just click on this one. I prefer to have the quick draft and at a glance, so we can also add things into our panel. So basically, this was the installation of the WordPress website and how you can install that. In the next videos, we're going to talk about how you can add new posts, how to manage pages, how you can go into the media sections, how to manage plugins, how to manage comments, how to manage appearance, because we have those widgets, menus, and many things we have to talk about, users and different things in WordPress. So be sure to subscribe to our channel so you get notified as soon as we publish our new video. And hit the like button, comment below what do you think about this video, and see you next time.